On the final night of 2025, the desert of Abu Dhabi comes alive. At Sheikh Zayed Festival, time slows, cultures meet, and the past embraces the future. The evening begins with rhythm. Traditional Emirati drummers step forward, their movements measured, their beats powerful. Each strike of the drum echoes across generations, telling stories of desert journeys, tribal unity, and resilience. These rhythms are more than music. They are a heartbeat, carrying the spirit of the UAE from its origins into the present moment. Lights spin gently as the Ferris wheel rises above the fair. Nearby, the merry-go-round turns endlessly, capturing laughter, nostalgia, and the timeless joy of simple celebrations. At Sky Cave, conversations pause time, warm drinks, shared smiles. The heart of the festival beats strongest in its bazaar. Narrow lanes open into a world of tradition, where handcrafted items reflect Emirati heritage and global craftsmanship. The air carries layers of fragrance, oud, spices, incense, each scent telling its own story. Traditional dishes simmer beside international flavors, drawing crowds from every direction. Shopkeepers welcome visitors not as customers, but as guests, proudly sharing culture through craft and cuisine. Thousands move through the space, locals and tourists, elders and children, united by curiosity and celebration. This bazaar is not just a marketplace, it is a living museum, where heritage breathes and culture connects people across borders. As night deepens, the festival becomes a reflection of the world itself. Families walk hand in hand. Friends gather around food stalls. Voices blend in many languages, yet the emotion is one. People are not just watching a celebration, they are part of it. Together they wait, counting moments until a new year begins. Across the grounds, volunteers prepare something extraordinary. Bunches of colorful balloons rise slowly, filling the space with anticipation. These are not ordinary balloons, over 500,000 of them, all eco-friendly, carefully designed with purpose. Carried by many hands, they symbolize collective responsibility. The colors glow against the night sky, creating a visual spectacle that draws silent admiration. This moment reminds us that celebration can be thoughtful, that beauty and sustainability can exist side by side. The balloons are ready, not just to rise, but to give back. When the balloons are released, the sky transforms. Colors drift upward, spreading across the horizon like a living canvas. But hidden within this beauty is a powerful idea. Each balloon carries seeds of local plants and trees. As they travel across the desert, they will return to the earth, planting life where land once stood bare. Nearly 500,000 trees will begin their journey from this single moment. Celebration turns into action. Joy becomes responsibility. From the sky to the soil, the future is being planted, quietly, beautifully, purposefully. As the countdown nears, all eyes turn upward. The sky darkens. Then light appears. 6,500 drones rise together. Slowly, a familiar face forms, the portrait of Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan, the father of the nation. The crowd watches in silence, many with emotion, honoring the man whose vision shaped a country. Moments later, the sky transforms again, revealing Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, a symbol of leadership, progress, and continuity. The scale is breathtaking. According to organizers, this display sets a world record, marking history in light and motion. Cheers break the silence. Phones capture the sky, but the memory settles deeper than any screen. As the new year arrives, the message is clear. The UAE looks forward, guided by its past, united in its vision. Delicate flowers unfolding petal by petal, painting the air with color and life. Each animation flows seamlessly into the next, symbolizing growth, renewal, and hope. The sky becomes a living canvas, where technology meets imagination. As the final flower fades, numbers begin to form 10, 9, 8, each second building excitement across the crowd. Hearts race, voices unite, and at 0, the sky explodes with light, revealing one message: Happy New Year. A breathtaking moment, shared by all, welcoming a fresh beginning. The sky is about to tell a story you've never seen before. Stay with this video, because ahead you'll discover fascinating statistics, rare facts, and mind-blowing numbers behind one of the most spectacular New Year fireworks celebrations in the world. This breathtaking celebration is unfolding in Wathba, a place that has witnessed grand New Year traditions for many years. Over time, Wathba has become synonymous with scale, precision, and unforgettable sky performances, especially during the iconic Sheikh Zayed Festival. But before the fireworks paint the sky, let's rewind history. Fireworks were born in ancient China, over 1,000 years ago, when simple mixtures of charcoal, sulfur, and saltpeter were used not just for celebration, but to ward off evil spirits. From royal ceremonies to global festivals, fireworks slowly traveled across continents, evolving from modest sparks into massive, synchronized sky spectacles. Today, those ancient inventions have transformed into technological marvels, programmed to music, shaped into patterns, and timed down to the second. What you're about to witness in Wathba is not just a celebration of the new year, but a continuation of a tradition that connects ancient history with modern ambition. And trust me, what comes next is truly record-breaking. Thank you for watching this video so far. We are sure you are enjoying it. Now let's talk numbers, because this event didn't just impress the eyes, it rewrote history. According to the organizers, the fireworks display lasted 62 uninterrupted minutes, setting a world record for continuous fireworks. For over an hour, the sky above Wathba remained alive, without a single pause, something rarely achieved anywhere on the planet. The variety was simply astonishing. Towering waterfall-style cascades poured down from the sky, sharp whistling fireworks cut through the air, glowing ring-shaped patterns expanded across the horizon, and massive bursts filled every direction. Within the Sheikh Zayed Festival grounds, an estimated 163,000 people gathered together, while nearly 500,000 spectators surrounded Wathba to witness this once-in-a-lifetime moment. Towards the end of this video, here's a quick update on this truly memorable event at Wathba. The celebration began as early as 4 p.m. and was exceptionally well organized. From traffic flow to parking arrangements, everything was planned with precision. Massive parking areas were prepared, and hundreds of volunteers were on ground, ensuring safety, guidance, and a smooth experience for every visitor. The organizers made sure families had a stress-free and enjoyable time. Well-maintained washrooms, diverse food arrangements, indoor resting areas, gaming zones, and even a small zoo added to the overall charm of the venue. It was especially delightful to see how much the kids loved the place, making it a perfect family destination. As evening set in, the atmosphere came alive with traditional drumming performances and lively music. This was followed by a beautiful display of sustainable seed balloons, symbolizing hope and renewal. The excitement peaked with a stunning drone show featuring 6,500 drones, leading into the new year with a world record 62-minute fireworks display. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Your support motivates us to create even better videos ahead. Thank you so much for watching till the end.